So the workers are here. Woke me up actually, and then I missed a call from DSW, and I called back and I filled out my paperwork, and then I'm waiting for a call now from her, and the bus is coming in 20 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna take that to school so I can go get my books and my math packet and all that good stuff. And I did my makeup, and yeah, there's not much else to say. Gonna tie up my hair, get my card ready, and all that good jazz. So, alright, I'll check in. I'm getting my books. They were so heavy. I made lunch, and Zach, the guy who was working on the kitchen, was here. I didn't say that earlier. And he just left. So I'm gonna eat, and then we'll probably see my boyfriend. What? Where's he been? You mean he didn't break up with me? No.
Katie?
What?
Did you see him at all today?
No. Hi, baby. Oh, are you going in my room? Okay, bye. Hi, baby. You get out. Watching Good Luck Charlie. In my little boots. I think I'm actually going to open my math book. What? Believe it or not, I am doing math. I'm trying to. Yep.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, honey.
Remember when I left?
Woohoo! I got 100% on my orientation quiz. Yay! I'm just about to make the vlog. And then get on to the next video. Yeah. Fun. Who are you?
I think I'm your boyfriend.
Get out of town.
I just got back from town.
Exactly, get out.
Okay.
I missed you.
I missed you.
I missed you mucho. We're watching Once Upon a Time. He just got his pizza, although we just ate it, so... Can you move slightly over this way? Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Yeah, we're watching this. And I was doing my math homework, and I got the first problem right! Yes! And he wants to learn too.
Yeah.
So, I will teach you. Yay!
Yay.
And we'll do my homework together. Don't touch my toe. No te tocas. Oh. Fuck you. Screw you. Die! Go to hell. Hey!
What?
It's my foot.
You know.
Be nice to my foot. Stop! No, I'm falling. I'm falling off my bed. Ah! Stop. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Haley got a tablet.